Hello there, it's Michael at Snow Seat in Poole. Today I've come to show you a fantastic offer on the new Seat Ibiza. So here we go. This model in particular has got a massive saving on it, but what I'll do first is I'll go through the car itself and then we'll go through the offer in just a moment. So if I just start from the front of the car, we've got our LED daytime running lights just there. Just following around to the right hand side of the car, we've got our 15-inch alloy wheels. Okay, bear in mind the all new Ibiza does come with 5 doors. Following around to the back, we've got our LED rear lights there, which make the car look very nice. This one in particular, because the offer is on this car does have fitted at the factory rear parking sensors. So if you just see just there. And just following around to the interior of the car. Obviously the SE specification does come as standard with Bluetooth for your phone, radio and air conditioning, with a number of various features on the car. But this one in particular has got the convenience pack added to it, which of this package gives you automatic lights and automatic wipers. Does also give you the auto dimming rear view mirror. Okay, and as part of the convenience pack as well, to finish it off, does come with automatic folding door mirrors. Okay, so just take it around to the front of the car. Now we've got a particularly special offer on this one at the moment. Okay, we did have 2. This is our last one. Okay, this one in particular. Okay, its list price is £14,875, and it's now been reduced down to £11,450, having a saving of £3,445. But wait, there's more. Inclusive in that price is 2 years free servicing, and also includes maintenance and tyres. Okay, so if you have any other inquiries on this car, please give us a call on 01202 627 455, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye-bye.